My name is Zaid and I'm 12 years old.
Zaid is like I will not feel anything. He's like one of our stars.
He is now 75th in the country, yeah. And in Maryland, he is currently 413s. He's number one. So he's number one in Maryland. In Maryland, yes.
Squash is a game with a racket and a small black leather ball, and you hit it against the wall, back to each other. My dad used to play squash, and then he introduced it to me. I've been playing 6 years.
I think he's grown to love it. Initially, it was a little bit of a hard time getting him into the court when he was younger, but now at this point, he is dying to get on the court and play more. So.
I really like this kid. He's a very hardworking. I saw him a year ago, and from now, he worked really hard. He's really dedicated. Because this kid and his father, they are working very, very hard. And I really hope he will gonna do well. And I'm sure he will gonna do well.
This sport has a lot of potential for the future. It's turning into an Olympic sport, and a lot of the elite schools will come and recruit players and give them scholarships to play squash.
This club, Play Squash Academy, invited our school to come as a field trip and play and teach us how to play.
I was really happy, especially today the girls came, and actually they really need it. They really need to move more, so that's gonna help them a lot.
I think the sports generally gives you the ability to be a leader, to think strategically, on your feet kind of thing. So, I grew up playing sports a lot, and I feel like in my life, my professional life, it's really helped me develop as a human being and as a leader and everything. So I truly believe it's something that all the kids at the school should be involved in getting into. So
I think it's good for the class to come and see what squash is, because maybe they'll learn how to play the sport, fall in love with it like I did, and just start playing for the rest of their life.
I love the fact that he's playing on a competitive level at this point, and we're kind of going around the country playing different tournaments in different states at this point. So it's a lot of fun.